Hi, hello, good morning to all over the world. I am Coach Mary Ann Rosarioso of Biliran Province. So, I would like to say, maaari po kayong mag-click sa aking website. Welcome to Mary Ann Rosarioso website in Live Good. So, this is my online landing page in my Live Good business opportunity. We have our products there, and it has any kind of multivitamins, and these products of Live Good is approved by MGP and Supernatural po lahat po ng mga ingredients po ng Live Good. So that's all, and thank you.